Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a QR code for a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare Form option. Select here. Now select this barcode option and draw a barcode. And click right button for properties and go option and click on this box. Here you will find this QR code. Select. Now select below option and peak below. Here you can uncheck peak below. Now simply select OK and your file name. Now select close and preview. And see this, our QR barcode already created. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.